How to replace the door hinges of a bottom freezer refrigerator. These tools are required. Disassemble the top hinge. Remove 2 screws. When taking off the top cover, use a plastic scoop or flat screwdriver. Unplug the connector. Gently take off the hinge cover. Start from the bottom. Remove the 2 bolts. Just before the second bolt is loose, hold the door. While holding the door, take out the hinge. Now you can lift off the door. Disassemble the middle hinge. Be careful not to damage the door. It is advised to open the door first. Now remove the 2 screws. When the second screw is loose, you can lift the hinge and take out the door. Disassemble the bottom hinge. Remove 2 screws. Assemble the bottom hinge. Mount 2 screws. Assemble the middle hinge. Start by mounting the left screw, but do not tighten it yet. Place the door on the lower hinge. Put the pin of the middle hinge in the door and continue with the assembly. Verify that the door opens and closes properly. Assemble the top hinge. Place the fridge door on the pin of the middle hinge. Hold the door with one hand while placing back the top hinge. Mount the 2 screws. Plug in the connector. Power on the appliance to test if the display and the touch panel are working. sure that the wires are properly seated and put back the hinge cover. Before attaching the top cover, properly guide the wiring. Gently close the top cover. Mount 2 screws. Finally, check if the fridge door opens and closes properly.